Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to translate any word into any language in Microsoft Excel. It's extremely easy. So in this example, I need this cell, everything in here to be translated into French and into German. And so what I do is I just go up to review and then translate. And then over on the right, the translator within Microsoft Excel is going to give me what I need. And so I can just type in the language. And so it translates everything that I need into French. I'll just take that and copy and paste it underneath the French column. And then I'm looking for German. So it'll quickly translate that over. And then I'll do the same thing. And so just like that, I'm able to get translations from English to French and German, and you can do this for any language that you need. It's very quick, it's very easy. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.